Hello traders, hello everybody. Keke here from the Trading Talk Show family. We have an announcement to make, guys. The Trading Talk Show has partnered with Yam Markets. It's a new and exciting broker all the way from Dubai. They just came into South Africa. So these guys are the real deal, okay? Go on to their website, yammarkets.com, open up a demo account or a real account. It's Yam Markets time, it's trading time.
So what I normally do is to avoid sex.
What?
Avoid sex, yes. Avoid sex, yes.
Oh, intimacy.
Yeah, intimacy.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Like avoid intimacy.
Wow.
What I do is pray a lot
Yeah.
and just call the ancestors to be with me along the journey,
Okay.
and then that's when I can start my trading.
Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome everybody, welcome traders, welcome to your #1 trading talk show in the world, the first of its kind. And you know what it is? It's the Trading Talk Show. Alright, on this show we cover everything that has to do with trading. We cover currencies, we cover indices, crypto, bonds, Bitcoin, and everything that has to do with trading. We cover it here because, as you know, we are traders. All right, without further ado, please go on, like, share, and subscribe to the page on YouTube so that you don't get to miss an episode. All right, be part of the movement, the Trading Talk Show. We are also available on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We are there. You can just search the Trading Talk Show. Okay, I have a special announcement to make today. As you can see the banners behind us today, we have a brand new sponsor for the show, and it's a broker sponsor, and it's Yam Markets. All right, so go on to their website and open up an account. There's a demo and there's a real account. They have exciting spreads and exciting products for you. Remember, it's Yam Markets. All right. With that said, as traders, we know that we have a thing called fundamentals, but a thing which is more fundamental is what traders consume, what traders drink. Every trader must drink coffee, and the coffee brand is It's About Coffee.co.za. So allow me now to introduce my special guest in studio. He's a young trader, he's a successful trader, he's a specialist in one of these indices, okay? His name is special because he has a name like mine, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Keke Nasdaq in studio. Mr. Keke.
How are you, sir?
How are you, brother?
I'm good.
Thanks. I feel like I was singing there, man, because I kept going, introduction, the sponsor, the coffee, the show and everything. I was like, damn, when do I get to the part where now I speak to the guy who I called in studio today? Keke, welcome to the studio, bro.
It's an honor to be here, sir. Thank you.
Sorry, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I always tell traders that traders drink coffee. Do you agree?
Yeah, true. Traders should drink coffee.
Coffee, right? So now, here we go. It's about coffee. Cheers, brother.
Thank you,
Take a
sir.
sip. Wow. Delicious. Mine is latte. What's yours?
I'm also drinking latte.
Latte.
Yeah, latte.
Okay. Man, I tried my best to give you that introduction,
Yeah.
right? When my producers told me that there's a guy called Keke,
Yeah.
I was excited because Keke is my name as well. You are Keke.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be Keke versus Keke today.
Actually, yeah. Keke
Right.
versus Keke.
That's special, bruh. That's special, bruh. So now, in your own words, into this camera right here,
Yeah.
tell them at home who's Keke Nasdaq. Where you come from, and where you come from. Background a little bit.
Hi everyone. My name is Keke Rampolanga, but proudly known as Keke Nasdaq. I'm a forex trader, and I'm from the East End. I don't really have much to say about me, but then you'll get to know me as you keep on watching this video.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, right, there's this question that a normal viewer at home will often just ask at the back of their heads.
Yeah.
Right. You are a successful trader, bro,
Thank you.
and you specialize in, I don't want to say yet, that part will come in.
Okay.
So now, just tell them at home, when did you stumble into trading?
Okay, so basically, I started trading back then during COVID, which was 2020. I started trading on the 11th of August, and yeah, that's when my journey started.
Okay. East Rand.
Yeah, from the East
Right.
End. Yeah.
So, East Rand is not really famous for a lot of traders, so you're quite special that side, I can say.
Yeah, you could say that because of.
Uh,
I feel like I'm one of the best traders around the East End.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So, off the studio, when we were in the morning, you
Yeah.
mentioned to me that East Rand, it has a lot of underdog traders,
Yes.
right?
East End, sorry for
Yeah.
breaking you down.
It's okay.
East End has a lot of underdog traders because they believe that they don't want to be seen out there. You understand?
Become famous
Yeah.
traders.
Like they don't want to be out there showing off, but then like there's underdogs.
Who are doing well.
Yeah, who are doing well, like on the forex market.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So, whenever I come across a trader
Uh-huh.
who has a last name which is an instrument, Keke Nasdaq,
Yes.
that's bold, man, because that's an indication that you are really a specialist in Nasdaq. Is
Yes.
that right?
Yes, true, of course.
Okay.
I didn't give myself that name, but then the people I used to work with
Okay.
were the ones who actually realized that, man, this guy is actually good with this
Okay.
thing. So like, let's just call him Keke Nasdaq.
Nasdaq.
Yeah.
All right. Now it's like a brand, because
It's
when
like
I
a
see there on Instagram, it's Keke Nasdaq.
Yeah. My name on
Yeah.
Instagram is Keke Nasdaq.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who inspired you? All of us, we always have that somebody, from maybe overseas, we saw on Instagram, we follow them, or even locally. Who's your sense of inspiration? Who's that guy for you?
Okay, so locally, the person I've looked up to, there's two people that I've looked up to locally.
Yeah.
It is Tumelo Nasdaq,
Okay.
Ideal Forex Institute.
Ideal.
Yeah, Forex Institute.
All right.
And then internationally, I've looked up to Q Banks.
Qbanks.
Yes.
Okay. I think I kind of saw him on Instagram.
Yeah, he's good. He's killing the market like nobody's
Okay.
business.
Nasdaq.
Yeah. He's trading currency pairs like in most cases.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me ask you this question. What I trade, right?
Yeah.
I know that maybe this currency that I like to trade, or this certain indice, it has a certain character about it, which is something that it's a behavior, or it's something that I kind of noticed about it, that I discovered on my own,
Yeah.
not through mentors or studies. I just learned about this certain thing that is on this certain instrument.
Okay.
So with Nasdaq, what is that thing that you kind of picked up which you can tell people about Nasdaq at home.
Okay, so one thing I've picked up about Nasdaq is that it's more volatile, and you're able to make money more faster than the other peers.
Currencies.
Yeah, than the other currencies, because it's too volatile, and I love to be on the adrenaline.
Adrenaline.
Yeah.
Oh.
So.
Are you a high risker?
I am a high risker.
Okay.
Actually. Yeah.
All right.
I am a high risker.
So you have an appetite for high risk.
Yes. Because of Nasdaq has been paying me well. I'm not saying currency pairs don't pay.
Yeah.
But then Nasdaq, man, is the one for me.
Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Right. I think also with my own reflection there, I can say in my experience with Nasdaq, right? I don't specialize in Nasdaq, but I do visit it from time to time.
Okay.
What I know and what I like about Nasdaq is the fact that you make instant money quicker.
Yes.
Right. It's one of those instruments which are very, very good for scalping. Are you a scalper?
I'm a day trader.
Day trader?
I don't scalp. I used to scalp when I had no information back there.
When you're starting out?
Yes. But then I got to find out my strength. I'm a day trader.
That's your personality, as a trader?
Yeah.
That is interesting for me when you say day trader.
Yes.
Because a lot of traders that I've met who are specializing in Nasdaq, they are more for scalpers, so to speak, right? So you are a day trader.
Yes.
And I just want to understand, what does that mean? Does that mean like you are holding trades for the whole day, or you trade the whole day? How is it?
I tend to hold a trade for a day.
A day?
Depending on what time I had opened my trade.
Wow, on Nas?
Yeah, on Nasdaq.
Wow.
Depending on what time I had opened my trade on Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Hence, I define myself as a day trader.
Day trader.
Yes.
Interesting, man. So now, how long have you held a trade?
I've held a trade for a day and then skipped to the next day because of it was still going where I wanted it to go. So I had to, accept that I'm on the winning side. So I'll see the market on the other day. But then I kept holding the positions.
Yeah.
Yes.
Until it goes to your TP.
Until it reached my TP. Yes.
Okay. You don't close in between?
I don't close in between.
Wow.
But I keep on adding more positions.
Yeah.
Because I can tell that the market still has to go and reach my TP.
Yeah. Now, in terms of a ritual, in terms of when you start your day, say today I intend to be on the markets, this is what I want to make today. How do you start? Do you meditate? Do you look at the news? Do you just go straight to technicals? What's your process?
So what I normally do is to avoid sex.
What? Sex?
Avoid sex, yes.
Sex,
yes.
Oh, intimacy.
Yeah, intimacy.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Like avoid intimacy.
Oh, wow.
What I do is pray a lot.
Yeah.
And just call the ancestors to be with me along the journey.
Okay.
And then that's when I can start my trading.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then your girlfriend must be upset.
No, she understands because of she knows how we make money.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for you, no sex. You talk to your ancestors.
Yeah.
Then do you look at the news?
I do look at the news, but then on specific days.
Okay.
Yeah. On the CPI, NFP, and what is it? FOMC. And initial job claims.
All right.
Yeah.
And after that process is done, then you go on to the chats.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Because what I've noticed is that I'm good with predicting the market before it happens.
Oh.
Let me just say, if maybe like next week we have NFP,
Mm-hmm.
I already know what the market is gonna do.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe I tell you maybe like on a Sunday.
Yeah.
And tell you for Friday the market is gonna do what.
Sell
or
buy.
Yes.
Wow, that's quite interesting there. Well, the truth is people love Nasdaq,
Yeah.
right? The numbers, they speak for themselves.
So yeah.
South Africa is one of those countries, people, they trade Nasdaq,
Nasdaq,
right?
yes.
They are making money on Nasdaq, but another side of it is that they are losing. Nasdaq is killing people out there. So, what is it that they are missing, or the mistake that they're making on Nasdaq? Why they're losing money?
People tend to lose a lot of money because of Nasdaq because they're lacking knowledge.
Lack of knowledge.
Yeah, like they're lacking knowledge. I, for one, I lost a lot of money like before I
Nasdaq.
became profitable on
On
Nasdaq.
How much? Take me through that journey of your losing streak.
Okay, so I had got my inheritance. So like I got a lump sum of my inheritance.
Okay.
So I'd say I lost half of the amount that I had received
Wow.
on just this broker Veracity market.
Okay.
Yeah, that broker charged my money
Wow.
too much. So
Half of your inheritance.
half of my inheritance, like
Wow.
that's the risk I took
Yeah.
to be where I am today. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Wow, man, that's shocking. By then, were you already an expert or not?
I was still a beginner because I thought being a forex trader is just a buy and sell thing. You
Okay.
know, I wasn't sure of what I was doing
Yeah.
because I just saw people buying and selling, so I was like, but you're just gonna press buy and then it gives you money, and then
Yeah.
sell and it gives you money.
Yeah.
But then like there was more to it.
Yeah.
Until I got to sit down and told myself that I need to learn and give myself time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. So, what are those mistakes that you made, which you've learned from?
The mistakes I have made on the market was that I didn't seek knowledge. I wanted to do things like on my own, and then after that, that's when like I realized that no, I need to get a mentor. I
Okay.
need to get a mentor that can
Mhm.
help me. But then I had tried to get mentors,
Okay.
but then they also did me dirty.
Oh, sorry, man.
So at some point you tend to realize that you need to do some things alone.
Okay.
So I went on YouTube, and YouTube has been my mentor since.
Since
Yeah,
until you mastered Nasdaq.
yes, until I mastered Nasdaq.
So now back to that question, what do you think people are losing money on Nasdaq today? Just a trader at home right now who just blew money on Nasdaq. Now they're going through that depression. What wrong did they do?
A lot of traders, from what I know, like they're too aggressive on Nasdaq.
Okay.
Lack of funds. Number two, lack of funds. Like you need a lot of money like to trade Nasdaq. If you're gonna use a proper lot size, you can't be trading Nasdaq with the 500. Obviously, like it's gonna blow you, especially like if you're using those volatile brokers with
Okay.
higher spreads.
Okay.
So like it's gonna blow off your money.
So you're saying that why the reason they're losing money on Nasdaq is that they fund little money.
Yeah. Small
Okay.
accounts. I believe small accounts are the reason why people are not making it in forex, especially if you lacking knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't compare someone who has knowledge and someone who doesn't have knowledge.
No.
If I, for one, I have knowledge, I would raise a small account on Nasdaq because of I know what I'm doing, unlike someone who doesn't know what he or
Yeah.
she is doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now that brings me to this question. How much is appropriate for Nasdaq?
I would say as much as 2,000 rand is fine.
On Nasdaq?
Yeah, on Nasdaq because
Okay.
I don't fund more than 4K on Nasdaq.
Okay.
Maybe I play around 3.5,
Okay.
2.5, but then the
Yeah.
maximum I've deposited is 4K.
Okay.
Yes.
So you recommend to traders at home that they mustn't put in 500 rands for Nasdaq?
No.
At least more than 2,000
More than 2,000, then you
That's
can
safe.
be on a safe side.
safe side.
Yes.
Then what about the lot size there after? What lot size is it the right one to use there with the 2.5 account?
That depends with the broker because brokers differ with the volatility.
And spreads?
Yeah, and spreads. So some brokers, like, you're gonna have to adjust your lot size, and so that like it can boost you so that it can boost your trade on Nasdaq.
Okay.
But then there's high volatile brokers that you can use. A lot size is 0.01.
Yeah.
And then like it can give you proper money.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, you heard it from the master himself, Keke Nasdaq. He indicates that don't trade Nasdaq with small accounts. Okay, make it at least 2.5 upwards. Then you stand the chance and use proper risk management. What do you recommend? 0.01, 0.02? Or how many entries can you enter with that kind of an account?
Like I had said, it depends with the broker. But then
yeah.
with the broker that I'm using, with the money, I had funded, let me just say, if I had funded a 3K, I would go for a 0.2.
Okay.
And open 2 orders.
2 positions.
Yeah, 2
Okay.
positions. And then let the market do its thing.
All right.
Yeah.
So I'm a big fan of a principle called failure. I believe that failure is a principle of success.
Yeah.
Right. This industry is not just about winning all the time.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, there's a time where every trader will lose money.
Yes.
You'll go to that space whereby you blown an account and now you're going through that phase, that dark phase.
Yeah.
Right. So you being successful right now, I know that there was a time perhaps you went through the hold. Right?
Yeah.
How did you deal with that, and what advice can you give traders at home how to uplift yourself again and get back to the markets?
I've been in a dark phase. Like every trader has been in that dark phase before. I've experienced that when I've started trading. I remember the first time I lost 3K on Nasdaq. I was like, hey, I should have bought sneakers with that money, So everyone has been on the dark phase.
Yeah. Then how did you deal with that pain? When you're alone, depressed in your bedroom and...
Honestly, I didn't feel no pain because like I said, I had inheritance.
Yeah,
so money was just flowing around. So it was just a matter of...
fun again.
Yeah, but then I felt it a bit because of I was like, I should have bought sneakers.
With this money.
But I was like, I still have more. So
Okay.
it wasn't something much.
All right, tell me about the day where you made it big profits, yeah, now I got this.
So it was CPI. I remember CPI. I had analyzed the market. I remember I got the fundamental strategy from a friend of mine called Karabo SMP.
Yeah.
He had taught me the strategy of reading fundamentals.
Okay.
So-
KB from SMP.
Yeah, KB from SMP.
All right.
He taught me that, and then I was like, I funded my account, and then came. What time was it? 2:30.
Did you buy? Did you sell?
I bought.
Yeah.
Kill
Yeah.
Nasdaq.
Killed it.
Kill Nasdaq.
Oh yeah.
Kill Nasdaq.
All right. What strategy are you using on Nasdaq?
Okay, so I'm actually using 2 strategies which I had combined. I'm using SMC, Smart Money Concept, and the Quasimodo strategy.
Quasimodo.
Yes.
Right. All right.
So I don't really know what to call it, but then I just combined
the 2 of them.
the 2 of them, and it gave me what I'm using now, and it's working out for me.
I can say maybe that it's your unique strategy, the combination of the 2.
Yes.
All right, so now, what do you see on Nasdaq this week?
On Nasdaq, what I'm seeing this week is that Nasdaq has been buying, so I'm predicting buys. Like a lot of buys I'm going to be seeing this week. It's so amazing. So I'm looking forward to start this new week with buys.
All right, we are done with the first segment of the show. Keke Nasdaq has given you guys some nice insight as to how to trade Nasdaq. He's not done yet. With that said, please man, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the page on YouTube. Be part of the movement, the Trading Talk Show. All right, and go on and Google our sponsor, Yam Markets, Open up an account there, demo or a real account. They have nice spreads. Okay, Yam Markets is trading time. See you in the analysis. Hello traders, hello everybody. Keke here from the Trading Talk Show family. We have an announcement to make, guys. The Trading Talk Show has partnered with Yam Markets. It's a new and exciting broker all the way from Dubai. They just came into South Africa. So these guys are the real deal, okay? Go on to their website, yammarkets.com, open up a demo account or a real account. It's Yam Markets time, it's trading time. Okay, now we are on to our last segment of the show where we get deep into action, okay? Keke Nasdaq will give you technical analysis on Nasdaq for the week. Keke, are you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Take it away, brother.
Hi guys. I prepared a technical analysis for you all. So as you guys know, I'm a Nasdaq trader, so I'm gonna be focusing on Nasdaq. So this is a daily time frame, Nasdaq. So as you guys can see, the market has been on a uptrend, so we're gonna be looking for buying opportunities. I had placed a line chart because I'm using a mixture of SMC and Quasimodo. So to approve my trades or to confirm, I start by turning the chart to a line chart so that I can get a proper direction and see the market clearly. Okay, so guys, moving forward, we're still on Nasdaq. So now we're on a 4-hour time frame. So as you guys remember, the market has been on an uptrend. Even on the 4-hour time frame, the market has been on an uptrend. So we're gonna be looking for buying opportunities. So this is a simple setup that I have set for you guys. It's simple. I believe that some of you guys have not seen such a simple analysis. Well, this is how I trade. Moving forward to the current market, we have a first drive, a second drive, and a third drive. A third drive is where we're gonna be taking our possible entries. We have a POI. I even said it here for you're gonna buy at this point. So on the first drive, the market had tried to push up, but then it ended up what was this word? So
Tracing.
no.
Consolidating.
Yeah. So on the first drive, the market ended up pushing up, but then it ended up consolidating, and then it created a second drive here, and then it tried to push up again to break the market consolidation. So now what we're looking for on the current market is for the market to come back on our third drive to come and take our possible entries here. So this is what I prepared for Nasdaq, and I believe you guys find this helpful. And if you're looking forward to get more of these setups, please check me out on Instagram. My name is Keke Nasdaq. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you.
All right, that was it from us this week on the Trading Talk Show. Be sure, guys, please do us a favor, man. Go on right now, like, share, and subscribe to the page on YouTube so that you don't get to miss an episode. All right, and we are also available on all social media platforms. You can search the Trading Talk Show. With that said, keep on trading, trader, and I'll see you at the top.